Hi, I'm Lynn Barber, Florida Friendly Landscaping Agent for the University of Florida, IFAS Extension, Hillsborough County. I'm encouraging you to register for a rainwater harvesting workshop with us on Zoom. Do you want to conserve water in your landscape for ornamental plants? Would you like to decrease erosion and stormwater runoff from your property? If yes, we can teach you how, and we will provide you with a rain barrel that we have already drilled and spicketed. So if you're interested, and we hope you are, please register at the link at the bottom of the screen, and we will see you on Zoom in the very near future. Thank you, and be well.